How to sign up on Lalal.ai. First of all, open your web browser and go to the official Lalal.ai website by typing lalal.ai in the address bar. Next, look at the top right corner where you will see login and click on it. Here you will see different options to login or sign up such as Google, Facebook, Apple and email. If you choose Google, you can sign up using your Google account by selecting it and following the prompts to grant access. If you pick Facebook, you can use your Facebook account credentials to create an account quickly without filling out additional details. The Apple option works similarly for users with an Apple ID, allowing you to sign up securely using your Apple credentials. Lastly, if you select email, you need to manually enter your email address, and then the app will send you a code to confirm your email. Once you receive the code, enter it in the required field to verify your email and complete the sign-up process. After verification, you will be logged into your new Lalal.ai account and ready to start using the service. And that's it. Now you know how to sign up on Lalal.ai. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.